Have you ever had a door in your house that just doesn't shut all the way, or maybe it has a little bit of an air gap? I'm gonna show you how to fix it in under 30 seconds. And once you learn this cool little trick, you're gonna go to every door in your house and fix it in under 30 seconds with just a screwdriver. Let's get going. So imagine you have a door, when you close it, it still kind of has a little give like this. So all you're gonna need is one simple tool, a screwdriver. So what you're gonna do, follow me back into the garage, my tools here. Let's see, and what you're gonna want is something like a little flathead screwdriver, something like this here. It should work fine. And I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do with this. So you have the door open here, and you're gonna see inside here, if you look real closely over here, there's a little see a little tab here that you can put a screwdriver in? Almost every catch of the door has this. And what you're going to do is put the screwdriver in this tab like so. Just pry it out a little bit. See how it's coming out a little bit? So now it's if you can see here, it's a little tough. It's now it's flush. It's right there. So now you're going to close your door, check it. And now you can see there's basically, the door has very little give to it now. And if you're still not happy, you can adjust this out a little more. Just pry it out a little bit. And what it's doing, it's creating a tighter space here. So that when the lock, the deadbolt catches, it's got less give, less space to move. So now let's try it one more time. And you can see my door has basically no give to it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Comment below if there's any other little situations you want me to tackle for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one.